Facing a black screen on your iPhone instead of seeing widgets or notifications in standby mode, this usually happens due to settings issues or software glitches. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check standby mode settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap standby. Ensure the standby toggle is turned on. Solution 2. Check iPhone placement in landscape. Standby mode only works when your phone is in landscape mode. So place your iPhone sideways on a stand while charging and check if it enters standby mode. If not, restart your iPhone and see if that helps. Solution 3. Turn off orientation lock. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. Now, tap on this icon to turn off orientation lock. Solution 4. Enable night mode. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap standby. Toggle the standby switch to on. After that, turn on night mode. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open settings. Tap general. Scroll down and select transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset and choose reset all settings. This resets system settings but won't delete your personal data. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the black screen issue in standby mode. If this video helped you solve the problem, make sure to hit that like button. Got any questions or need further help? Don't hesitate to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.